Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent these hardened steel lock protectors for your door. Now, why would you need one of these? If you have a door like mine that actually has easy access to to the latch, these can easily be jimmied open by shoving something back there and popping it back open. These really prevent that. And what these do is when you open up your door, again, they come in a 7 and a 12 inch. So for this particular door, because it just has the single latch for the handle, the 7 inch is going to be more than adequate, because all you need it for is just to go over the outside edge of this piece here and go ahead and screw that in. And then if you had one that had a deadbolt as well, then you can go for the 12 inch that would then cover the deadbolt as well as the standard latch mechanism as well, so that does give you a little more protection if you have both of those. Each one of these kits does come with a padded piece that you can put around there as well to help fill in the gap, and also the hardware that is used to install this in the door. To install these, we're simply going to take a couple of these screws that they provide, and it comes a couple of different lengths of screws as well. And you've got two standard holes and an adjustable hole here. And you can put one in the adjustable hole first. And we'll go ahead and get that lined up on here. Then we can slide it around and kind of show you. Once you've got those adjustable ones in there, it allows you to slide this forward or backward to get it lined up exactly where you need it to be to make it even with your edge of your door. Then we're going to tighten those down. And then you're going to install an optional additional longer screws back there just to give it some reinforcement. Now when that door goes closed, once that is sealed up, people no longer can jimmy their way into there to help break into your door, providing you with peace of mind and extra protection for your home or office.